What's up, people? It's Alpha Blue here, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, guys. So, guys, in this video, we're going to go over GBP USD and see what the market did today. So, today is the 3rd day of January. We're getting almost into the 4th day, actually. Wednesday, the 3rd day of January. So, GBP USD didn't really do much today. In my opinion, it was just ranging. The whole of today's move was just about, let's see, 51 pips. Well, it moved over 60 pips. That's not bad. Only that majority of the move, for most part of the day, was just in a range. So the market was mostly ranging today, even though we later saw a push to the upside during the late New York session. So I was actually looking to short GBP USD today, and I took a loss on that trade. So this is the trade right here. I was looking at shorting GBP USD into this other block right here. So the whole idea behind this trade was very simple. We had a very huge sell-off yesterday. I actually was not expecting price to sell down to this point. I was thinking that we were going to see a retracement back up here to clear out this liquidity here before it continues pushing down, but that didn't happen. So when I saw the market sell off all the way to this point and even continue to engineer liquidity down here, I was like, all right, so two things right now. One, we have a very big imbalance left here. We also have this imbalance down here. So I was like, where are we going to head to most likely? So I went with the sell because I felt since we've had this very strong bearish pressure, it's more likely that the bears are still going to be in control of the market to push the market down here to fill in this imbalance, especially that the market has created something like a triple bottom here, right? 1, 2, 3. And then when I had that bias, I came here, looked for a liquidity around this point. It was taken out. The market actually sold off, gave me this very big wick on the 4 hour. See this long wick right here on the 4 hour. So when I saw this wick on the 4 hour, I went down to the lower time frames and looked for my entry on a 1 hour order block. So I got triggered, but then the trade went to SL. So let's go to 1 hour. So after that long week, we had also a very strong bearish engulfing candle right here. So my entry was on this 1 hour candle, almost like an indecision candle. That was where my entry was. Let me show you on this 1 hour candle right here. That was where my entry was. Let me delete this. So this was the whole idea. I didn't see it like I didn't see the bulls taking the market back up. You know, I just saw this liquidity taking right here. I was like, okay. I waited. I saw that we got a very strong push to the downside. Even though I should have waited for these lows to be taken out. If these lows were taken out before I got my entry, that would have been like a better confirmation. But I didn't wait for these lows to be taken out. And then here we are. So I took a loss. But I don't really beat myself up on losses like this because this is a good loss. I just lost 0.5% of my account, which is good. It's not a reckless loss. So a winner is going to cover this up and then we're still going to be up in profit. So I don't beat myself up on these kind of losses. So whenever you take a loss, make sure you're losing properly. Losing properly means you losing within your risk parameters. You losing exactly what you intend to lose, not losing more than your risk appetite, right? So we took a loss on GU. Now the idea for GU going into tomorrow, I'll just wait for GU to get to my point of interest before I look for anything to do. My points of interest are simple. This horizontal line here and this other one up here, of which I'll be looking to sell. I feel this whole thing down here is liquidity that has been engineered and the market will definitely want to come and sweep it. This is engineered liquidity. 1, 2, 3. double some people call this a triple bottom, which is good sign for you to buy, but this is engineered liquidity as far as I'm concerned, because this is just directly above a very huge imbalance. So anything that makes GU comes back to this point or this point, then I begin to look to sell, to take the market all the way down here. So that's my idea for GU. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. To be honest, I just realized that this loss would have been avoided if only now waited for the break of this structure to the downside. If only I waited for this to be broken to the downside, then this loss would have been avoided, because a break to the downside would have been a confirmation that price will want to continue moving to the downside. But we never saw that, so it means that these demands won't held out. It's all right. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. The week is almost wrapping up. And this week is actually NFP week as well. We're expecting NFP on Friday. So let's just see how it goes. Let's see how the first NFP for the year goes. Then we know what to expect in the coming weeks based on the fundamentals in play. So I hope you got value from this. If you did, don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and I would love to see you guys in the next one. Cheers and God bless.